In front of me is Nubia music, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it. Mute the music by clicking on the bottom left corner and choose Consent in the pop-up. Then hit this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. Now click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Hit Set or Save Wallpaper, choose Yes, tap Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!